December 7, 2022 Beijing time. According to reliable news, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has confirmed his replacement as CEO of Tesla. Tesla's current global vice president, Greater China CEO Tom Zhu Xiaotong, will take up this much-anticipated position. All the news has been revealed by insiders and not officially confirmed. Today, I want to share my views on this matter. Is this kind of rumor groundless, or is there evidence to follow? Okay, let's get started. According to a person familiar with Tesla China, Tom Zhu is very similar to Musk in some key characteristics: close to 24-hour focus on work, timely replying to work information even at 4 o'clock in the morning, almost no personal life, strict and even demanding on subordinates. Rumor has it that in March-April 2022, the Shanghai COVID-19 outbreak had caused a brief shutdown of Tesla's Shanghai superfactory. In order to solve the problem of capacity recovery and moving on after the resumption of production, Tom Zhu once slept for 2 months in the workshop of the Shanghai superfactory, which brought about the recovery and growth of production capacity, and the delivery volume of Tesla Shanghai superfactory has exceeded 100,000 cars in November this year. This is the same way Musk used to sleep in the superfactory in Fremont for Tesla's car deliveries, and he often slept in the Twitter headquarters office after acquiring Twitter. Zhu, born in Shenyang, Liaoning Province, China, joined Tesla in April 2014 as director of Tesla's China Supercharger program. Prior to joining Tesla, Zhu co-founded Kaiboi International, where he worked in property management and engineering implementation. In terms of career background, Zhu has no prior background in artificial intelligence and computer science, nor any experience in the automotive field. It was July 2019 when Tom Zhu was publicly presented as Tesla's global vice president and president of Greater China. At this time, it has been a full year since Tesla was approved to build a Tesla superfactory in Shanghai that integrates R&D, manufacturing, and sales functions. In October 2019, Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory officially went into production, and on December 30, 2019, the first Tesla domestic Model 3 sedan was officially delivered. Since then, Tesla has achieved a remarkable performance in China. Tesla's published financial report for 2021 shows that Tesla delivered 936,000 sedans worldwide that year, of which 484,130 were delivered from the Shanghai Tesla Superfactory, accounting for 51.7% of the total global deliveries. On August 15, 2022 Beijing time, Tesla CEO Elon Musk revealed that Tesla has produced more than 3 million vehicles, of which the Shanghai plant produced 1 million. On the other hand, Tesla's financial report for the third quarter of 2022 shows that Tesla achieved operating income of $5.131 billion, approximately 37.492 billion renminbi, in the Chinese market, an increase of 64.8% over the same period of $3.113 billion in the first 3 quarters. The Chinese market achieved operating income of $13.568 billion, approximately 99.141 billion renminbi, an increase of 50.5% from $9.015 billion in the same period. China is now Tesla's second-largest market in the world, accounting for 23.9% of the company's total revenue, second only to the United States. This series of performance is enough to make Musk satisfied with Tom Zhu's work. He has publicly praised the production efficiency of Shanghai Superfactory and the diligence of Chinese employees more than once. In September 2021, the media reported that while Tom Zhu continued to serve as Tesla's global vice president and president of Greater China, managing Tesla's full power affairs in mainland China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan, China, he had already begun to take charge of Tesla's business in the Asia-Pacific region. A considerable part of the Model Y and Model 3 models sold in these markets is the result of delivery from Tesla's Superfactory in Shanghai. A report from CNBC and a chart of data show that Tesla has 27 executives worldwide who report directly to Musk. The vast majority of them come from Tesla's two core offices in Fremont and Austin, with only 3 executives outside the U.S., including Tesla Greater China President Tom Zhu. Zhu is the first Tesla executive to report directly to Musk for Greater China operations, which should be closely related to Tesla's increasing reliance on its production delivery and sales revenue in Greater China. After taking full control of the Greater China region and then the Asia-Pacific region, Zhu is likely to go one step further and take over Tesla's global production, delivery, and sales operations. Tom Zhu is the most likely replacement for Musk's CEO position and is also related to Tesla's current senior management team structure. Among the current executives at Tesla's U.S. headquarters, Senior Vice President Drew Baglino, best known for his responsibility for Tesla's most important powertrain, energy and engineering, commonly known as electric, which is the heart of Tesla's products. In addition, Pete Bannon, Vice President of Hardware Design Engineering, and Charlie Kaman, Vice President of Materials Engineering at Tesla and SpaceX, another space technology company founded by Musk, are also very important. But Tesla's current core executive team does not have a single key man in manufacturing and sales. However, the financial crisis and delivery crisis that Tesla fell into in 2018, and the experience of being miraculously rescued by the Shanghai Gigafactory proved that manufacturing delivery and expanding market share are the most basic lifelines of the company. And in Musk's mind, for at least the last 2 years, Zhu seems to be the one who has most effectively proven to have key competencies in manufacturing delivery and sales expansion. This creates an advantage for him to succeed Musk as Tesla's global CEO that others do not have. However, it also signals that Zhu's highly likely replacement as Tesla's global CEO will not have the same remit as Musk's current role as Tesla's global CEO. At present, there is no sign that Musk will fade out of Tesla's product development, self-driving and supercomputing and other key technical affairs. It is not new for him to play the role of the company's most important or even the only spokesperson at Tesla's autopilot and new car launches in the future. Now, the right person seems to be in place. This new CEO could be in charge not only of sales, but also of Tesla's superfactories spread across the United States, China and Germany, with the possibility of future expansion to India and South Korea, among other places. However, Zhu is a very low-key person, and the number of public appearances in the media is extremely limited, and he hardly accepts interviews with media outside China. At present, the personal page of Zhu's workplace social network LinkedIn is no longer available. There is no doubt that Tesla needs someone who can regularly sleep in any of its gigafactories around the world. In addition, Tesla needs a person who can solve the production delivery and capacity problems in urgent moments. If the rumor I mentioned at the beginning is true, when it comes to sleeping in the factory, who in Tesla's current executive team is more experienced than Tom Zhu? Okay, these all are my opinions on this issue. At last, I'd like to say that whether from personal qualities or past contributions, Tom Zhu seems to be a good candidate. As for the final result, let's wait for the official news. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.